Did you know? The Amazon rainforest covers an astonishing 5.5 million square kilometers, making it the largest tropical rainforest in the world. It spans across 9 countries, with the majority in Brazil, followed by Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana. The Amazon is home to 10% of all known species on Earth. It is estimated to contain over 390 billion individual trees from 16,000 species, and it houses a wide array of wildlife, including 2.5 million insect species, 40,000 plant species, 2,200 fish species, 1,300 bird species, 430 mammals, and 400 amphibians.